Slide number 34. The theory of music for 3/4 time signature. The time signature 3/4 means written as 3 on the top and 4 at the bottom. Whether it is a treble clef or bass clef, the same time sign will appear. As you see in the picture, the 3 refers to that there are 3 beats in a measure or bar, which at the bottom stands for the quarter note. That means each beat gets only a value of a crotchet beat's life, that is 1 beat. So in the examples at the bottom, you can clap the rhythm to understand, or you can play. Let's play and see using any note. Let's just say I take a A note. So I play 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That is the 2 bars I played. Next I am playing bar number 3, that is 1, 2, 3. I played 1 minim which holds the sound for 2, and on the 3rd beat I played a crotchet. The next bar, every beat there is a crotchet note. 1, 2, 3, over. The next bar says beat 1, 1 crotchet, beat 2, play and hold until you finish your beat 3. So 2, 3. Last bar, a minim dot which is equal to 2 plus 1. That is, the minim carries, that is the dot carries half of the minim's value. So 2 half is 1, total 3. So 1, 2, 3. If you play at a stretch, you will see that the song is in shape of different time values. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now you can play any song because the song will have this kind of permutation combination of the note values.